Hi guys, today I want to tell you about how to connect Geo through USB. Like this is the cable, this is Geo hotspot. This is Geo, and sorry for my camera quality. Yeah, it's connecting from cable. This is the cable. Yeah, this is the cable, and this is the Geo Wi-Fi Geo 3, and this is the laptop. I connecting through the USB. I'm not connecting through the Wi-Fi. You just see I'm using Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. You know, there's I'm not connecting any Wi-Fi. This is the connection, local area connection. It automatically connects through this device. It automatically install drivers for this purposes. And this I get this speed around 5 Mbps to 10 Mbps. Yeah, yeah, it's nice. uh, the main benefit of this through this connection is the battery will charge, and that is if your computer don't have the Wi-Fi driver, or sorry, Wi-Fi dongle or Wi-Fi adapter, uh, you use this connection through the USB. And this is the standard USB cable from Jiofi. This very fast net connection. It's very great. um, I'm using the Dell. This is my laptop, Dell Inspiron laptop 14. It's great. Yeah. Sometimes I get the speed around the 2 Mbps or 1 Mbps. It's okay, not getting a 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 Mbps. Great, man. This is one of the greatest connection from Geo. As wow, nice speed. The thing is, this connection from village. This is not city. It's not a metropolitan city, or it's not a city. It's not a town. It's a small village. But it's very impressive. I get the speed around 6.68 Mbps. It's great. That's for this, and this is the USB and connecting from this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice and speedy day.